So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to find exported videos from CapCut. So I think the easiest way to do that is just choose a project and export the project and see where it's exported. So I have this project, I'm gonna go to export, and basically I just want to check the folder where my videos are being exported. So I'm gonna click on this folder icon, and I can just, with this arrow, I can just open up the folder name and I can see where it's exported. So I can just open the folder, but you can also just export the video. So click export. Once it's exported, you're gonna click open folder. You are here at the folder you are exporting your videos to. So that's how you can find the exported videos folder. You can also change that. So you click export again and you just click this folder icon, and you can also change it to another folder, for example. But you can also change the folder by clicking on the folder icon and just choosing another folder from your file explorer. Alright, so all in all, this is how to find exported videos from CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.